What is up? Welcome to Market Psychology 101. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at Solana, the number 6 overall crypto with a market cap of around 90 billion and a current price of 162. So Solana, you can see here that I have drawn a Fibonacci retracement from high to low. And within this fib, Solana is hanging out right at the 888. It is wicking under. And when we start to see these candle bodies, I have on Heikin-Ashi candles. When we start seeing these candle bodies come over under, you do have to be careful. The next area where Solana's had support before is the 786 at 123. Now, when we take a look at the moving averages, you can see how Solana on its most recent biggest pullback did hit that 200-week moving average perfectly as soon as it appeared. Right now, it is at the 100, but the 200 is moving on up towards that 786 where we've had support and resistance in the past. So I would keep an eye on what Bitcoin's doing, what Bitcoin dominance is doing. Bitcoin dominance is recently looking bullish, which means that liquidity is going to be pulled away from altcoins. So if this support right here for Solana isn't able to hold this 158 range, then I would be taking a look at 117 and starting to check the indicators such as the MACD if it's flipping positive, or the RSI to simply put it. So let's turn on those two moving averages. Here's the MACD and the RSI. So yeah, so right now the MACD is just flipped negative. And in order to be more bullish on this myself, not only do I want to see the MACD start getting these light red little boxes here to start moving up, but I want to see a positive MACD cross where we see the blue moving average cross above the orange, and that's probably not going to happen for a while. So see where this bottoms out and then starts to curl up. That's step one of confirmation. Step two is seeing that curl up. Now on the RSI, this is interesting. You can see overall it is bearish. Let's get rid of the MACD here to make things clear. Overall, the RSI has just been bearish. It's been pulling it down, though we see the RSI sort of flattening out over here. So if the RSI makes a higher low, that might be some positive divergence for Solana to show that it's forming a base and getting ready to move up to the upside in a big way. So keep an eye on the RSI and the MACD. Keep an eye on that 200-week moving average I talked about before as Bitcoin dominance moves on up. Once Bitcoin dominance starts to get daily and weekly sell signals, I would be interested to see, is Solana going to be up here at around the high 150s, the mid 150s, or is it going to fall further down here to around 120? That'd be a can't miss area, in my opinion. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe.